Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this ODYS Thanos tablet, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can activate and manage the keyboard clipboard at this device. First of all, call out for the keyboard basically anywhere. I'll use this Google search bar widget for it. At this separate line that contains a lot of different icons, you gotta look for this particular one that stands for the clipboard itself. Here, tap on the turn on clipboard blue button in order for the clipboard to be activated, and as you can see we have successfully turned it on. Next, if you would like to remove some of the clipboard element, just tap on this pencil, choose what elements you would like to get rid of. Let's say this two. And tap on the trash bin. In order for you to add anything to the clipboard, you gotta, well, copy it. So let's say I want to type in the word core. Hold on. Here I'll go ahead and select and copy it respectively. And if I will get back to the clipboard, I'll see that the car element has been successfully added. So as you can see, it is located at the recent section of it. And from here you can just paste it by simply tapping on this particular element or any other element that your clipboard contains. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.